Remember the robots from old sci-fi movies, those towering metallic giants with blinking lights and whirring gears? Big, clunky, and a little scary. They seemed more like something out of a nightmare than a helpful assistant. Well, forget about those. The future of robotics is here and it's collaborative. Say hello to cobots. These sleek, intelligent machines are designed to work alongside us, not against us. These aren't your grandfather's robots. Cobots are designed to work with humans, not replace them. They are built with advanced sensors and AI, making them safe and intuitive to interact with. They're transforming industries from manufacturing to healthcare, making workplaces safer and more efficient. Imagine a world where robots and humans collaborate seamlessly, each enhancing the other's capabilities. Think of cobots as your new co-workers. They can handle the heavy lifting, the repetitive tasks, and the precision work, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex and creative endeavors. They're here to lend a hand or an arm, taking care of repetitive, strenuous, or even dangerous tasks. This not only increases productivity, but also significantly reduces the risk of workplace injuries. This allows us humans to focus on what we do best, thinking creatively, solving problems, and interacting with each other. Cobots are not just tools, they are partners in innovation. In a world of automation anxiety, cobots offer a refreshing perspective. Humans and robots working together, each playing to their strengths. Instead of fearing the rise of machines, we can embrace this new era of collaboration. Imagine a laboratory where cobots assist scientists in conducting experiments with precision and accuracy, or a hospital where they help doctors perform surgeries with unparalleled steadiness. Even in education, cobots can play a vital role, assisting teachers in creating interactive and engaging learning experiences for students. In agriculture, cobots can help farmers monitor crops, manage resources, and even harvest produce, ensuring a more sustainable and efficient farming process. In retail, they can assist customers, manage inventory, and provide a personalized shopping experience. The possibilities are endless. The future is now, and it's collaborative. Cobots are here to stay, and they are ready to work with us, not against us. Together, we can achieve more than we ever thought possible. So let's welcome our new robotic co-workers with open arms and look forward to a future where humans and robots thrive together, each bringing out the best in the other. The future is bright, and it's collaborative. The future is now. So what exactly is a cobot? It's a robot designed for close interaction with human workers. Unlike traditional industrial robots that operate in cages, cobots are built for shared spaces. They use sensors, cameras, and sophisticated software to perceive and respond to their surroundings. This ensures they can work safely alongside humans without causing harm. Safety is paramount in cobot design. They're built with rounded edges, lightweight materials, and force-limiting joints. These features minimize the risk of injury if a collision does occur. Imagine a cobot bumping into you. It would feel like a gentle nudge, not a bone-crushing impact. This inherent safety allows cobots to integrate seamlessly into existing workspaces without requiring major overhauls. In the past, industrial robots were massive, powerful machines that had to be kept separate from human workers. Today, cobots are revolutionizing the way we think about automation and human-robot collaboration. They can perform delicate tasks that require precision and care, such as assembling small parts or handling fragile items. Cobots can even learn from human demonstrations, making them incredibly versatile and adaptable. Programming a cobot is often user-friendly, allowing workers without extensive technical knowledge to set them up and operate them. Beyond factories, cobots are finding applications in healthcare where they assist nurses and doctors with routine tasks. In research labs, they help scientists conduct experiments with greater efficiency and accuracy. Even small businesses are benefiting from cobots, using them in bakeries, workshops, and more to enhance productivity. Maintenance of cobots is straightforward, often requiring less downtime compared to traditional robots. Regular software updates can improve their functionality and extend their lifespan. As technology advances, the capabilities of cobots continue to grow, making them an integral part of the modern workforce. Ultimately, cobots represent a harmonious blend of human ingenuity and robotic precision, working together to achieve more than either could alone. The future of work is here, and it's collaborative, efficient, and safe, thanks to the incredible advancements in cobot technology. Cobots are already hard at work in a variety of industries, revolutionizing the way we operate. Manufacturing was an early adopter, using cobots for tasks like assembly, welding, and material handling, enhancing efficiency. But cobots are proving their versatility beyond the factory floor, adapting to new roles. They're popping up in healthcare, assisting with surgeries and dispensing medication, improving patient care. In logistics, cobots are streamlining warehouses, picking and packing orders with precision and speed. The food and beverage industry is using cobots for everything from packaging to quality control, ensuring consistency. Even in research labs, cobots are lending their tireless precision to scientific experiments. The possibilities seem endless and exciting. Section 4, the Cobot Advantage, Safety, Speed, and More. Businesses are embracing cobots for good reason. These collaborative robots, or cobots, are revolutionizing the way industries operate. They offer a potent mix of benefits, starting with safety. Cobots are designed to work alongside humans, equipped with advanced sensors and algorithms to detect and avoid collisions. By taking over hazardous tasks, cobots reduce the risk of workplace injuries. They can handle dangerous materials, operate in extreme conditions, and perform repetitive tasks that could lead to strain or injury over time. They're also incredibly precise and consistent, improving product quality and reducing waste. Cobots can perform tasks with a level of accuracy that is difficult for humans to achieve, ensuring that each product meets exact specifications. And unlike their human counterparts, cobots don't need breaks, sleep, or vacations. This means they can maintain a steady pace of work without interruptions, leading to more efficient production processes. They can work around the clock, boosting productivity and output. With cobots, factories can operate 24/7, meeting high demand and tight deadlines without compromising on quality. But the benefits go beyond the bottom line. Cobots are not just about increasing efficiency and reducing costs. Cobots can free up human workers from tedious, repetitive tasks. This collaboration allows employees to focus on more complex and rewarding activities. This allows employees to focus on more engaging and fulfilling work that requires creativity and problem-solving skills. By taking over mundane tasks, cobots enable workers to use their talents and expertise in more meaningful ways. In this way, cobots can actually improve job satisfaction and employee morale. When workers are relieved from monotonous tasks, they're more likely to feel valued and motivated, leading to a more positive and productive work environment. As we look to the future, the role of cobots in various industries is set to expand. From manufacturing to healthcare, logistics to retail, cobots are poised to become an integral part of the workforce. In healthcare, cobots can assist with surgeries, patient care, and administrative tasks. In logistics, they can streamline warehouse operations and improve supply chain efficiency. In retail, cobots can enhance customer service and manage inventory. As technology advances, cobots will continue to adapt to new challenges and opportunities. Their ability to learn and evolve makes them a valuable asset in an ever-changing world. Ultimately, cobots represent the future of work. They are not here to replace humans, but to work alongside us, enhancing our capabilities and creating a safer, more efficient, and more fulfilling workplace for everyone. Together, cobots and human workers can thrive, driving innovation and progress in ways we never thought possible. The future is bright with cobots by our side. Section 5. Cobot Challenges, Integration, and Beyond. While cobots offer tremendous potential, there are challenges to overcome. Integrating cobots into existing workflows can be tricky. It requires careful planning, employee training, and sometimes adjustments to the workspace itself. The upfront costs of purchasing and installing cobots can also be a barrier for some businesses, especially smaller ones. Another challenge is addressing the skills gap. Operating and maintaining cobots requires a workforce with the right technical skills. Educational institutions and businesses need to collaborate to develop training programs that equip workers with the skills needed to thrive in a cobot-powered future. Section 6. The Future of Cobots. Smarter, more adaptable, everywhere. The future of cobots is bright. Advances in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and sensor technology are making cobots smarter, more adaptable, and easier to use. We can expect to see cobots that can learn on the job, adapting to new tasks and environments with minimal programming. This increased intelligence will unlock new possibilities for cobot applications. We might see cobots assisting with complex surgeries, performing precision agriculture, or even exploring hazardous environments. As cobots become more affordable and user-friendly, we can expect to see them adopted by a wider range of industries, from small businesses to multinational corporations. Section 7, Cobots and Us, a collaboration for the future. Cobots are not here to replace us, they're here to empower us. By taking over dangerous, repetitive tasks, cobots free us to focus on what makes us uniquely human, our creativity, ingenuity, and ability to collaborate. The future of work is not about humans versus robots, but about humans and robots working together to create a safer, more efficient, and more fulfilling future. So, what do you think? Are you ready to welcome cobots into your workplace? The future is collaborative and it's waiting for us to build it together.